निषिद्धैरप्येभिः लुलितमकरन्दो मधुकरैः करैरिन्दोरन्तश्छुरित इव सम्भिन्नमुकुलः विधत्तां सिद्धिं नो नयनसुभगामस्य सदसः प्रकीर्णः पुष्पाणां हरिचरणयोः अञ्जलिरयम्. Um, so in the last section of the drama, we had Nepathye. Just to give a context, as Karna and Ashwathama are ready to fight each other, kill each other, at that point, from behind the screen, we hear Bhima's words that he has caught Dushasana and that he is going to kill him and drink his blood. So Ashwathama says, now let's see what Radheya does. So he says, Jamadagnya Shishya Dronapahasin idam tat asannatarameva samvrittam. So whatever you have to do right now, you can accomplish. Let's see what you do. And then Karna says, Ka shaktihi vrikodarasya mai jivati dushasanasya chhayamapi apikramitum. Akramitum. Bhima does not even stand a chance to touch his shadow, Dushasana's shadow, when I am alive. So he consoles Duryodhana and says, Na bhetavyam, don't fear, I will come. Iti nishkrantaha. Now Ashwathama says, Rajanna Kauravanatha Abhishmam Adronam Samprati Kauravabalam Alodayanto Bhimarjano Radheyena Evam Vidhena Anyena Va Nashakyate Nivarayatum. It is not possible for anybody to stop Bhima and Arjuna, who are now creating a havoc in the Kauravabalam. Ataha Swayameva Bhratuhu Pratikara Paraha Bhava. So you yourself have to now go and do something about what is happening to your brother. Duryodhanaha Aha Shaktirasi Duratmanaha Pavanatanayasya Anyasya va Mai Jivati Shastrapanau Vatsasya Chhayam Api Akramitu. Vatsa na bhetavyam na bhetavyam. Kah kotra bhoho ratham upanaya. So Duryodhana, the dialogue is the same as what Karna also says, Mai Jivati Sati. When I am alive and when I am also holding on to the weapon, who has the audacity to even touch, or who has the Shakti, power to even touch his shadow? So na bhetavyam, he asks for a charioteer to bring his ratham so that he can enter into the battle. Iti nishkrantaha, Duryodhana goes out. Nepathye kalakalaha, there is a sound that comes from behind the screen. Ashwathama sasambramam. Matula kashtam. Esha bhratuhu pratignya bhanga bhiruhu kiriti samam Duryodhana radheyav sharavarshehi abhidravati. Pratignya bhiruhu kiriti Duryodhana radheyo sharavarshehi abhidravati. Kiriti Arjuna bhratuhu pratignya yeshaha kiriti. This Arjuna bhratuhu pratignya bhanga bhiruhu. He is afraid that his brother's pratignya, promise, would be broken. That is, he is afraid that Bhima cannot keep up his promise if both Duryodhana and Karna attack at the same time and Bhima is unable to kill Dushasana. So his promise would be completely broken right now. So pratignya bhanga bhiruhu kiriti Duryodhana radheyo samam at the same time. Okay, together he is facing both of them. Sharaihi samam yathasyat tatha abhidravati. So you take this samam as a kriya visheshana here to connect with abhidravati. He is running equally towards both Duryodhana and towards Karna, or he is or thorattara, amba vittu thorattara nartham, amba vechindu. With his arrows he is chasing both of them at the same time. So he is capable, saha savyasachi khalu. So he can actually use his arrows, use his bow in both hands. But at the same time, he is so quick, he is so fast that it seems as if he is attacking both of them. He is chasing both of them with arrows at the same time, so that Bhima can complete his pratignya. Sarvatha Pītam Dushasana Shonitam Bhimena Nakhalu Vishahe Duryodhana Anujasya Enam Vipattim Avalokayitum Anritam Anumatam Nama Anumatam Anritam Anumatam Nama. Okay. Matula Shastram Shastram. So Ashwathama says Sarvatha in completely Dushasana's blood has been drunk by Bhima right now. So Bhimena Dushasana Shonitam Sarvatha in its entirety. Adavadhu urinjutam fulla அப்படிங்கற அர்த்தத்துல சொல்றேன். So Sarvatha Pitam Dushasana Shonitam Bhimena Nakhalu Vishahe. I am unable to tolerate Duryodhana Anujasya Enam Vipattim Avalokayitum. I am unable to tolerate, I cannot see this Vishahe, I cannot see பொறுத்து கொள்ள முடியல, பார்க்கிறதுக்கு பொறுத்து கொள்ள முடியல. So I am unable to see this vipatti, this calamity that has fallen Duryodhana's brother. So Anritam Anumatam Nama, apparently Anritam here refers to Yat Maya Uktam Karne Jivati Aham Shastram Na Grahishyami Tan Mithya Bhavatu Nama iti. Let permission be given for falsehood. That is, he took a pratignya to say that he will not enter into the battle until Karna is alive. But then let my promise also become false. So Anritam Anumatam Nama, let it be done. Matula Shastram Shastram. Asks his uncle Kripacharya for his weapon. Satyadapi Anritam Shreyaha Dhiksvargam Narako Astume Bhima Dushasanam Tratum Tyaktam Atyaktam Ayudham. Tyaktam Ayudham Atyaktam. The Anvaya has to be like that. Satyadapi Anritam Shreyaha Bhavatu. I think being false to your promise is much better than being true to your promise. Dik Swargam. I don't want this Swarga. Swargam waste engra madri. Narakaha Astume. Let me enjoy hell. It's fine. No problem about that. Bhimat Dushasanam Tratum. Atyaktam Ayudham, Tyaktam Ayudham, Adhuna Atyaktam. So in order to protect Dushasana from Bhima, Dushasanam Bhimat Tratum, in order to protect him from Bhima, the Ayudham that I earlier abandoned, I will take it now. It is, let it be that it was not abandoned at all. விடப்பட்ட அந்த ஆயுதத்தை விடப்படாதபடிக்கே இருக்கட்டும்ங்கிற மாதிரி சொல்றான். So Tyaktam Ayudham Aduna Atyaktameva Bhavatu iti. Iti Khadgam Grahitum Ichchati. He wishes to take up his sword, but then there is an Ashariri Vak. There is an Akasha Bhashitam, not Akasha Bhashitam, Akasha Vani. Nepathye Mahatman Bharadwaja Suno Nakhalu Satyavachanam Ullanghayitum Arhasi. It is not right on your part. You are the lineage, you are from the lineage of Bharadwaja. So it is not right to transgress your own promise right now. So Satya Vachanam Ullanghayitum na arhasi. It is not fit on your part to go back on your promise. Kripaha Vatsa Asharirini Bharati Bhavantam Anritat Abhirakshati. A voice, Bharati, a sound, speech, which does not have a form. That sound just comes, you take it as a Daivi Vak. A divine voice without any body is stopping you, is protecting you from being false. Anritat Tvam Bhavantam Abhirakshati. Ashwathama. Katham iyam amanushi vak na anumanute. Sangrama avataranam mama. Mama sangrama avataranam iyam amanushi vak katham na anumanute. Why is it not giving me permission to get into this battle? Sangrama avataranam. To descend into this battle. This vak, this speech which is amanushi, which is Daivi vak. Sarvatha Pandava Pakshinaha Pandava Pakshapatinaha Devaha. Even here it seems that the Devas are favorable towards the Pandavas. They seem to like the Pandavas more even at this juncture. Bhoh Kashtam Kashtam. Dushasanasya Rudhire Piyamane Api Udasitam. Duryodhanasya Kartasmi Kimanyat Priyam Ahave. What else can I do when Dushasana's blood is being drunk? I am completely neutral to this. I'm not doing anything to protect Dushasana nor be of any help to Duryodhana at this point. So Dushasanasya Rudhire Piyamane Sati, as it is being drunk by Bhima, Udasitam, Maya Udasitam. This is a Bhavya Prayoga. I have completely kept quiet, or Udasinataya Maya Bhutam iti. Duryodhanasya Priyam ஆகவே பிரியம் கர்த்தா கிம் அந்யத் துரியோதனஸ்ய ஆகவே துரியோதனஸ்ய பிரியம் அந்யத் கிம் கர்த்தா அஸ்மி. The same no ஷஷ்டி here. பிரியஸ்ய கர்த்தா இது நாஸ்தி, பிரியம் கர்த்தா திருச்சு இல்லையா அந்த மாதிரி. ஸோ துரியோதனஸ்ய ஆகவே in this battle what more good can I do for Duryodhana? There seems to be nothing else, because the biggest problem that Duryodhana can face is losing his favorite brother, which is Dushasana, and he is also the crown prince. If I am unable to protect him at this point, then what use is there? What other good thing can I do for Duryodhana? So Dushasanasya rudhire piyamane api udasitam Duryodhanasya karta asmi kim anyat priyam ahave. Matula राधेय क्रोध वशात अनार्यम अस्माभिः आचरितम हातस्त्वमपि तावत् अस्य राज्ञः पार्श्ववर्ती भव. So this is now he regrets, I have wasted so much of time. We could have all gone together and protected Dushasana. Instead we have spent time, wasted time arguing with each other. Radheya krodha vashat, radheye krodha, राधेय विषये कर्ण विषये मम क्रोधः आसीत् तत्क्रोधवशात् इति. So he is only blaming himself here right now, because coming under the influence of anger towards Karna, anaryam asmabhihi acharitam, I acted in a very wicked manner, which in not a very noble manner. Ataha tvamapi tavat asya rajñah parshvavarti bhava. So you too go and stand near the king. So somebody has to help. Since I have been stopped by the Devi Vak also, and my promise should not become false, I cannot get into the battle right now. So you at least go and be with the Raja, that is Duryodhana, Parshvavarti Bhava. Go and be a support for him. So Kripacharya says, Gachami ahamatra pratividhatum bhavanapi shibira sannivesham eva pratishtatam. Ahamapi atra pratividhatum, atra asmin vishaye pratividhatum, in order to do something, retaliation. So in this manner I will also go and do something to retaliate. Bhavanapi, you also go to the shibiram, go to the camp. Shibira sannivesham eva pratishtatam, you start towards the camp. Parikramya nishkarantau iti tritiyankaha. With this the third act is over. Just one grammar point that was raised last time, I just wanted to say about that. Ingida. So Bhimarjunau Radheyena Nivarayitum na shakyate. Inge vandu Nivarayitum goes with Bhimarjunau goes with Nivarayitum. So tumun or tva, lyap, any of those, if Nivarayitum shakyate, if the karma padam can connect with the main kriya padam also, then it can be either in prathama vibhakti or in dvitiya vibhakti. If it connects only with the tumunanta or tvanta, lyabanta, namulanta, whatever, then it can only take on dvitiya vibhakti. It cannot have prathama vibhakti. So, which means here, since Bhimarjunau shakyate cannot connect, Bhimarjunau can connect only with Nivarayitum. Bhimarjunau is only in Dvitiya Vibhakti, it is not in Prathama Vibhakti. An example where it can be in Prathama Vibhakti is, let's say, Hanuman Ramam Dhyatva. I had noted down that somewhere. I can share in the white screen la share panni kaamikiren. So something like Hanuman Ramam Dhyatva Stauti, let's say. Okay. So he is doing stotram to Rama, thinking about Rama. Now Rama iti karma padam can get attached to both dhyanam and it can get attached to stotram also. Apo you can have Hanuman Ramaha Hanumata Ramaha Dhyatva Stuyate. Appadiyum pannalam. Or you can say Hanumata Ramam Dhyatva Stuyate. It depends on how you pick out the clause in that particular method, idhula example. Whereas here it is very clearly Bhimarjuna connects only with Nivarayitum. Anala it won't become Prathama Vibhakti. சரியா? Think any other doubts? So if you have any questions about the question paper analysis mode, we will look at it so that if you have doubts, it can be clear then. சரியா?